Hi, my name is Gianna Marotti. For my first project, I chose to do the hacker badge. I hacked this article here called American College of Pediatric Warns HPV Vaccine Causes Ovarian Failure. This article claims that Gardasil, the vaccine used for HPV, causes ovarian failure in many young girls. This article is very skeptical as it states that the CDC confirmed that the vaccine is safe and effective, as you can see from this paragraph right here. After a Google search about this article, I came across several other fake news articles, like this one, as well as credible medical sources debunking this article. Also, Scopes.com, a website that detects fake news, reported this as a fake news article. In my article, I chose to start off by talking about HPV to educate my audience about the infection being discussed. This simple paragraph provides my audience with relevant information without having to do another Google search. My audience for this article would have to be everyone, or more specifically, individuals who are sexually active rather than someone who is not sexually active. My purpose is to inform others to conduct extensive research on a topic rather than reading one article that could be fake and making a decision. Also, to provide an article with cited medical sources to debunk fake news. For my format, I used headlines to give the readers an idea of what they will be reading about next, or if they would like to look back at a certain piece of information, the headlines may help them direct them to it. Something I am pleased about is how I discuss my sources. I thought it would be vital to include medical news sources such as CDC, Mayo Clinic, and Very Well Health. Something I could have improved on was adding more information under each headline. I didn't think I should at first because I didn't want my audience to be overwhelmed with information. I just wanted them to get the basic facts. Lastly, women are more likely to contract the virus after reading this article or one similar to it. Furthermore, putting a stop to this virus calls for American individuals to do extensive research on the topic rather than just reading one source that could possibly be fake, just like the one I hacked. Thank you.